Hello children, today we will see the next part of our lesson, and that is the factorization of a cube plus b cube. So in previous lecture inside we seen the factorization of algebraic quadratic trinomials, okay, and yesterday I told you to solve this exercise, that is practice set number 6.1. Now here it is given the next point, that is the let us learn point. Okay, so let's learn inside what is given to us here. That is, in last lesson also we seen the factorization of a plus b bracket cube, a minus b bracket cube. Okay, then what is the difference here in that? That is a plus b bracket cube. Okay, and here it is a cube plus b cube. This two means here particularly cube is given to us, and here brackets cube, its factorization is there. So today we are going to see the factorization of a cube plus b cube, and for that here they took the previous knowledge, that is yesterday we seen that the means in a previous lecture inside we seen that a plus b bracket cube means what? Its factorization is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, which we can write as a plus b bracket cube is equals to, see here what is the difference between them. Here what they had done, this a cube and b cube they written in front means at forward, and here from these both terms inside means 3a square b and 3ab square, from this what they had done, they take out the common here. Just I will show you here. First of all they use the factorization of a plus b bracket cube. As you know, all of you, its factorization is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. So here this a cube and b cube they written here forward. Okay, so a cube plus b cube. Now see here, if you see, you will notice that in these two terms inside means 3a square b and 3ab square, inside its 3 is common, single a is present in a square 3a square b also and 3ab square inside also, and b single b is common in 3a square b and 3ab square inside. Now if we take out 3ab common from this outside from this, then what we get it here, what is remain here, that is only a, will remain here. Okay, now into bracket a, and from this insides 3a, this 3a, and from b square 1b gone outside, so here remains b, and here that sign plus sign which is present in between 3a square b and 3ab square. So this one, this term understood all of you. So here this term, first a square a cube and b cube we have to write at first term, and we have to take out common from this, that is 3ab. So what is remain, 3ab into bracket a plus b. Okay, now the next step is the, what we will do, we have to just keep this a cube and b cube at one side, because we want the factorization of a cube plus b cube, and this term we will take the another side of equation. So the next step is, see here, this I will write here, a cube plus b cube. Otherwise what we will do, side we will change at first, it will be not confusing for you then. A plus b bracket cube plus, this is plus here, this will change its side with the 3ab into bracket a plus b, it will be negative, is equal to a cube plus b cube. Clear? Now what we got it here, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Now the next term what we have to do, this a plus b bracket cube is there, we will write in this way, a plus b and a plus b bracket square. Clear? Means what, this both brackets multiplication is a plus b bracket cube only, and then minus 3ab into bracket a plus b, and what is it, it is a cube plus b cube. Till here any doubt? Now what we have to do here, that is we have to take common. See here I will use another color. If you see here, you will notice that a plus b is common in them. So just take it out, sorry, from this a cube, a plus b, not this a plus b. So what I will do, a plus b, I will take it outside the bracket. Okay. Now what is remain here? This a plus b and this a plus b. This from this both side, means from this and that both my terms, in from this both term we will take it outside a plus b. So a plus b common it will came here. So here remains a plus b bracket square minus 3ab, and this a plus b gone outside, and is equal to what we get it here, a's cube plus b's cube. Clear? And now the next step of this is the very easy. Plus first a plus b right here as it is, a plus b. You know the factorization of a plus b bracket square, its a factorization is a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay, minus 3ab. This is from which is in the example, minus 3ab is equals to what we get it here, a cube plus b cube. Okay. Now I will do two steps set together, a cube plus b cube. I will write this side, a cube plus b cube is equals to this a plus b. I will write here as it is, a plus b. Now a square in another bracket, this is in the another bracket. So a square 3ab minus 3ab and plus 2ab minus 3ab and plus 2ab. When we do the subtraction, we got it here, a minus ab. Okay. So what we get it here, a square, one minute here, a square minus ab and this b square plus b square. Okay. And the factorization of a cube plus b cube is a plus b and into another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. In exam they are not going to ask you this all. Only important is this black colored formula that we have to apply or use for the solving or factorizing the examples. Clear? So what is important here? The a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. These steps are given for you how the formula is derived. Means these are the derivations term. The same terms are there in the textbook. Just note down it properly in this screen. What happens? The space problem is there, so you can cannot write it properly. So copy it from the page number 30 from our textbook. Okay. Now just we will apply this or use this formula for the factorization. Clear? So the first example here, it is given that, okay, see here, a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Now we will solve this example. What is the example? X cube plus 27 y cube. So I will solve and show you. Here what is the example? X cube plus x cube plus 27y cube. Before solving this lesson, it is your duty that you have to learn the cubes of number from 1 to 10. 1 to 10 numbers cube you have to learn. That is important. Okay, then the examples becomes easy for you. Okay, so first of all, a cube plus 27 b y cube. So x cube plus 27 y cube. So first of all, what we will do here, x cube, you know that 27 is the cube of 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3y brackets cube. Okay, now use the formula, that is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b means these both terms addition. So here what will come, x plus 3y. Okay, this was over. Now second bracket inside first term square means x square minus both terms multiplication, a into b. So here what will come, x into 3y. Okay, you just write, or either here you give the 2 bracket. Okay, and then plus b square means 3y bracket square. The next step is the just solving. The example was over. So x plus 3y equals to x cube plus 3y cube is equals to x plus 3y, another bracket inside x square. The solving of this, generally we are taking the number at first 3xy. The multiplication of x into 3y is the 3xy, and plus 3 square is 9y square. Clear? In this way we have to factorize the number by using a cube plus b cube. One more example we will see. Okay, here also second example I will explain you here only. See here, 8p cube and 125 cube. 8 means what? It is a cube of 2. So here 2p brackets cube means it is this is the cube of 2 also and p also. Same here, 125 cube. 125 is cube of 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 125 cube. And according to formula, at first we have to do the addition of both the terms, means 2p plus 5 cube. Then a square means first term square minus both terms multiplication, here minus 2p into 5 cube, and then second terms square. And just solving of this is this bracket right here as it is. Then 2p square means 4p square. 2 square is 4, 4p square. The multiplication of this is the 5 2s are 10, p into q, p cube. 5 square is 25 and q's square. Okay, in this way we have to solve. This is easy one. Now I will show the factor, means where there is a what we are saying. In this question we will take m cube plus 64 m cube. So I will solve here. What is the question? M cube plus 64 m cube. M cube plus 1 upon 64 m cube. 1 upon 64 m cube. So m cube means m cube plus 1 upon 64 means 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So it is the multiplication of cube of, how we are finding cube? I told you 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. And 4 multiplications 3 times we are writing, instead of that 4 cube you have to write. In this way, that was over for you last year. Now here what is coming? M cube up plus 1 upon 4m cube. According to formula, first term and second terms addition at first, right? Then m first term square means m square. Then both minus both terms multiplication means m cube into 1 upon 4m cube. Okay, easy it is there. Only apply the formula. Just I've shown you at first, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, and in first bracket and second bracket inside a square minus ab plus b square. Now here a square, both terms multiplication, and then Then here, sorry, term we have to take, no? So here will come, cube will not come, because term which we took here, m into 1 upon 4m. You can write in this way also. Instead of writing this 3 here, 1's cube 1, you knows all. Okay, 1's cube, 1 square, whatever is there, it is 1 only. So this way. So first term and second terms addition we done it here. First term square minus both terms multiplication, and then plus second term square. So 1 upon 4m's brackets square. Okay. Now the last term here, square cube by mistake written. Only terms addition we have to do. So here m plus 1 upon 4m is first bracket. Second bracket inside m square right here as it is, minus m get cancels with m. So what is remain here? 1 upon 4 and plus 1 square is 1 and 4 square is 16 and m square is m square. So in this way, if fraction is there 1 upon 64, you just find this cube root of this. 1's cube root is 1, 64's cube root is 4. Then use the formula and solve this example. Okay. And now one more example we will see. And the example is the fourth example. See here, this example we solve now. This one. And the last example is the this that we will solve, and then 150 p cube and 432 q cube. What is the question? 250 p cube plus 432 q cube. Now if you see here, you will notice that 250 and 432 are not a cube of any number. These two numbers are not a cube of any numbers. Now what to do? So the simple thing is that we have to check any common number will come from this outside. Yes, these both terms are divisible by 2. So take 2 outside the bracket. If you take 2 outside the bracket, 250 upon 2 is 125. Now 125 is the cube of 5. P cube. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125 plus 432 if you divide with the 2. So 2 gone, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Means 216 you will come, and see 216 is the, you have to learn the cubes till 10. So 216 is the cube of 6. I know it, so I am telling to you. Now here the next step is the 125 is the cube of 5. So here you have to write 5 p's cube plus 6 q cube. Now you got this example in the form of our formula, that is a cube plus b cube. Yes. So here the next solving is the, first do the addition of this both. 5p plus 6 cube according to formula, that is a plus b a square minus ab and plus b square. So a square means what will come here? 5p when there is a two brackets will come, you have to use the square bracket. This is square bracket and this is the round bracket. So here I use the two brackets are coming here, that's why I am using square bracket outside, and then here round bracket. 5p square, 5p bracket square minus both terms multiplication means 5p into 6q, and then plus second terms square means 6q brackets square. Okay. And the last step is the 2 right here as it is, 5p plus 6q right here as it is, and just solve this. Now this bracket will cancel. So here what we have to do, 5p square means 5 square is 25 p square. This both term multiplication minus 6 5s are 30 p cube, and then 6 square is 36 q square. Okay, so in this way, this is the factorization of 250 p cube plus 432 q cube. So if these two are the numbers, these two numbers are not a cube of any number, you have to check that anything is common in them. So if it is there, just take it out common outside, you will get the cube number, and then take cube root and use the factorization that we studied today, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so today we have completed the factorization. We studied the factorization of a plus b, a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b, and a square minus ab plus b square, and then we solve the example by using that formula, or we factorize it. So today's your homework is 6.2, you have to solve. Okay, our exam is means are actually very near now, semester, so we have to study faster. So every day you do the practice whatever we are studying. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.